Hey divas, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a Ross haul. Yes, I said it, I'll be doing a Ross haul because we recently moved, so I'm trying to find stuff for the house, like stuff for the kitchen, bathroom, so I can decorate or redecorate them. So I already went ahead, did 2 rooms. I still have 2 more to go. I did 2 of the rooms, 2 is left. I still have 2 to go. I did the half bathroom, the master bathroom, but I haven't done the main bathroom yet, so I have that one to do. I have all the stuff for that one. It's just for me to go ahead, clean and decorate it. The kitchen, I did it, but I don't have any like the accessories like the kitchen towels, mats and all of that. But the thing with me, I was trying to find something like an accent rug for the kitchen instead of getting the traditional kitchen mats. So I went ahead, I did find one at Ross, and the color scheme that I'm going for is like the beige, brown, somewhere in that scheme, and I found towels, accent rug and all. So I'm going to show you guys all of that I found. Turn that down, baby girl. Abriana, turn it down. Let me get a sip of my coffee. It's so good. So the first thing I got, as I said, I'm staying in this color scheme, like a beige, khaki, brown scheme. So the first thing I got was this mitten set. So it's a set of 2. I paid $3.99 for it, and it's from Dine Discover Kitchen. So it says set of 2 mini mittens with neoprene lining, or if I'm saying it right. So I got this set of 2. Yeah, I went ahead and picked me up some kitchen towels, some towels. So I got this is a pack of 5. I paid only $4.99 for this one, and it says antimicrobial kitchen towel. So this has 5 in the pack. I went ahead and picked this one up also, and this is a set of 3 towels. So it says set of 3 kitchen towels, and this one was $5.99. So this is a pack of 3, that's for the 5. So in all I have 8 new towels. I saw this, and I like to pick up like my coffee and my teas at TJ Maxx, Burlington, Ross, because they're a little cheaper. So I went ahead and picked this up, which is a 48 count McCafe premium roast, and this is a medium roast. So this is 48, and I paid I think $21.99 for this one. These are the teas that I took up. This is the Merengue Turmeric No Caffeine, and I paid $3.49 for this one, and this has 16 tea bags. This one is the lemon ginger green tea 18 pack, and I paid $2.99. so these are my teas and coffee. For the kitchen rug, as I said, I picked this up, and it's like an accent rug. I love it. It's beautiful, and it says it's woven in India. So it's home soft accent and woven in India. So it's a scatter rug. And this is a 13 by 60, and I paid $20 for it, $19.99, and it is beautiful. This is it. So this is the front part. Look at it. It's beautiful. So I can finally go ahead and do my kitchen now. I saw this when I was heading up to the cashier, and it says pray always, and it says 1 Thessalonians 5:16-18, and I think it was really cute. It's like a storage, it has storage. It is cute, so I went ahead and picked it up. I'm gonna put this somewhere. It's like a Bible. It's beautiful. I went ahead and I picked up this Nivea Cherry Blossom and jojoba oil, normal to dry skin. It's not yet open, so I don't smell. Let me smell it, because no, I'm not gonna open it. I like to open my stuff when I'm gonna use them. I don't open them before I use them, because you know they have a shelf life, so I don't want to open it. And this was only $6.99. I got this for my bathroom, for the bathroom, and because I'm gonna be decorating my bathroom in black, but it's black and gold, but this has black and like the more to the silver side. But this is a 10 over the door hook, so it's a towel hook. It says clothes and accessories, so I'm going to put this on the door. I didn't need this for the towels. And speaking about towels, I went ahead and got 3 towels. So this one is for my husband. Yeah, for the hook, for the overhead, for the over door hook, I paid $6.99, so $7. And these are the towels that I got. So I got this for my husband, a gray towel, and these 2 pinkish color looking one for my 2 daughters. I didn't get any for myself, and they were all what, $6.99 each. Yes. My daughters, they needed some more hangers, so I went ahead and picked these up. And I'm over the plastic hangers, even though I still have them. I didn't throw them up, but whenever I'm buying hangers, I like to buy the velvet ones, and this is a set of 18 and I paid $5.99 for it. So these are for the girls, so these are the kids hangers. I needed some more. I got this on my bathroom downstairs for the half bathroom because I need a soap dispenser, and the one I have in the, I just have a regular one in the bathroom, my Bath and Body Works and soap just laying on the counter, but I needed it to be in something, so I found this set, so I decided to pick it up. And whenever being that I have this, whenever I run out on hand soap, I can always refill it because I have a refill in there, so I can refill it. So this is for the bathroom, and it's a luxury and soap, luxury and lotions, and it's scented Wild Garden. So it's from Bloom and Field. And I thought I got more, but basically that's all that I got. No, I saw this Levi's shirt and I decided to go ahead and pick it up. The quality felt so good, so I couldn't leave it. It didn't have that cheap feeling. So you know, you can go into TJ Maxx, Burlington, Ross, Marshall, and they have like stuff in there, and they said Levi's, but when you feel the material, the quality is poor. But this one, it has the quality is really good. So I went ahead and picked it up. I hope it fits because it's really small. It's an extra small, and I don't wear extra small anymore. As you can see, I usually buy a small, but I still pick it up because it was affordable. It was only $7.99. So basically that is all that I got. Not basically, yeah, that's all that I got for my house so far. So each time I go on the road, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little haul to show you guys all that I picked up. And yeah, this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're new, just go ahead and subscribe. You've made it this far and become a part of the Diva Gang. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.